Welcome to the best picks. The best ink pad is probably one of the most heartwarming ways to capture those fleeting moments of your baby's early days. These tiny hand and footprints are a precious memory, and with the right ink pad, you can create a beautiful keepsake. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect one? In this video, we'll explore the best ink pads. Number 5. Inkless Baby Hand and Footprint Kit. This kit allows you to capture your baby's hand and footprints without any mess. It uses a special ink pad that ensures no ink residue is left on their delicate skin. It's perfect for creating lasting memories. The ink used in this kit is lab-tested and certified to be completely safe for your baby. You can rest assured knowing that it's designed with your little one's well-being in mind. This makes it a great choice for parents. The kit uses high-quality ink and film to ensure every detail of your baby's hand and footprints is captured perfectly. The imprints will look beautiful and last for years to come. This is a great way to cherish those tiny hands and feet. The ink pad is sized perfectly for newborns up to 6 months old. It's also great for capturing your pet's paw prints. It's easy to use and creates a precious keepsake in minutes. The kit includes art cards for multiple imprints. You can choose the best artwork for your displays. A step-by-step instruction manual is also included to help you achieve the best results. What we like. This kit is designed to be mess-free, ensuring no ink touches your baby's skin. It's also baby-safe and comes with art cards. If you are looking for a simple and safe way to capture those precious first moments, this is a great choice. What people say. These ink pads work great. I was able to get great prints of my cat's paws. Used this to make prints of my dog's nose and paw for a tattoo I'm getting. Took a few tries. My dog was not a fan but got perfect prints of her nose. Worked well without my baby getting paint on his hands for a handprint. Nice color variety. Number 4. MengNi Baby Hand and Footprint Kit with 4 ink pads. This kit is 100% baby safe, non-toxic, and acid-free. It's designed so the baby's hand and foot never touches the ink. This ensures a clean and safe experience for your little one. No mess at all. This inkless pad keeps the baby's skin clean. You won't have to worry about cleaning up any ink. Mothers love it and recommend it to all their friends. Simply press the super flexible film gently. You can easily get a clear and detailed print. You might need a little help keeping your baby still, but it's worth it. It's great for capturing footprints to track growth. It's also perfect for gifting to friends and family. They can preserve their baby's childhood memories. The package includes 4 small ink pads and 8 imprint cards. There are also 4 plastic clips to help fix the ink pad. The pad fits hands and feet up to 3.74 inches long and 2.36 inches wide, perfect for babies aged 0 to 6 months. What we like. This kit is designed with baby's safety in mind, using non-toxic and acid-free materials. It's also super easy to use, ensuring clear prints without the mess. If you want a versatile kit for capturing memories at different milestones, this is the one. What people say. These are the smartest way to get a baby's footprint because you really shouldn't use any paint. Easy to do and mess-free. The clips you receive to hold the corners down really help ensure the card stock will not move when you press down. Number 3. Tiny Gifts Clean Touch Ink Pad. Keeping your baby safe is the top priority. This ink pad from Tiny Gifts ensures the ink never touches their skin. It's non-toxic and baby-safe, perfect for capturing precious moments. Taking your baby's prints is now simple. Just press their hand or foot onto the pad, and you'll get a fast-drying, smudge-free print. It's a mess-free way to create lasting memories. Treasure those tiny hands and feet forever. Use this ink pad to stamp prints on birth certificates or in baby books. You'll cherish these keepsakes for a lifetime. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This ink pad is ideal for baby showers, Mother's Day, or birthdays. It's a priceless present that anyone will appreciate. This ink pad is perfect for infants, babies, and even older kids. You can also use it for your pets. The possibilities are endless with this versatile product. What we like. This product prioritizes safety by ensuring the ink never touches your baby's skin. It's quick and easy to use, perfect for busy parents. If you want a safe, easy, and lasting keepsake, This is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This was super easy to use and didn't get any ink on my baby's hands or feet. The prints came out beautifully. It's quick and easy to use. Number 2. Ink Pad 5 by 4 foot, washable, non-toxic for baby. This ink pad is made with eco-friendly, non-toxic, and acid-free ink, ensuring your baby's safety. The water-soluble feature makes it super easy to clean up after use. The 5 foot x 4 size is perfect for capturing your baby's hand or footprint. This reusable ink pad helps you create lasting memories of your little one's growth. It's ideal for baby hand and footprints, and even works for your dog's paw prints. You can also use it for fun finger drawing activities. The ink is designed to resist fading, preserving those precious hand and footprints for a lifetime. It's a wonderful way to cherish those special moments. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month free replacement policy. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This ink pad uses baby-safe, non-toxic, and easy-to-clean ink. It also offers a large size to accommodate your baby's hand or foot. If you are looking for a simple, safe, and versatile ink pad, consider this one. What people say. Easy to use, easy to clean, functions, good quality color. It was really nice to be able to capture my granddaughter's hand and footprints in a color other than black. The quality of the ink is very good and it washed off of her skin very easily. It also transferred onto the canvas well. We used this to get hand and footprints of our son. It worked great, much better than those sheets that don't leave ink. Number 1. Outus Baby Inkless Handprint and Footprint Kit. This kit includes everything you need to create lasting memories. It's a safe and easy way to capture your baby's tiny handprints and footprints. This will be a cherished keepsake for years to come. Made with safe, quality materials, this ink pad ensures a clean and worry-free experience. The ink is gentle on your baby's skin. You can create beautiful prints without any mess. The included manual makes the process simple for everyone. Just press your baby's hand or foot onto the ink pad, then onto the card. It is a fun activity to do with your baby. The ink pads are perfectly sized for most babies' hands and feet. The cards provide ample space for the prints. It is a great way to document your baby's growth. This kit makes a wonderful baby shower gift. It's a unique and meaningful present that new parents will love. They can create warm memories of their babies. Not just for babies, you can also use this kit to capture your pet's paw prints. It's a fun way to create lasting memories of your furry friends. It is a great way to remember them. What we like. This kit provides a sufficient quantity of ink pads and cards. It's made of safe and quality materials, and is easy to use. If you need a kit with multiple uses and enough supplies, this is a great option. What people say. These were so handy to do crafts with my infant. No mess and the prints came out great. Works best for small hands, feet. The ink window is not very large. Great for allowing baby to sign their own cards to loved ones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.